Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you this Burro, and we're here at a show, so people are walking around looking at it. It's a 1983, and I will show you inside.
So basically, if you think about it, the Burro is the granddad of the camper. Not Burro. No, you said the Burro. You said the Burro. So then what does this have?
Yeah, it's a dinette. She's got it set up really cute here with vintage linens. And this is her granddaughter's camper, and I will post a picture of her granddaughter with it. She's not here right now, but I will post that picture at the end. So this is a great idea. This is what I do with mine. You put a dust ruffle down there and it hides what's under the bed. And then there's the wardrobe. And the Burros and the U-Hauls have a seam going this way. So that covers, that's like a trunk liner carpet. And it covers that part of that seam. I love these linens. So let me get the owner in here. There's a vent, and we'll see if she can tell you anything about it. Okay, how long have you had the camper?
We've had the camper for about 2 years. It's a 1983 13-footer. It is actually for our 8-year-old granddaughter. Today is her birthday, so she had to go back home. She can't be here for open house.
But we'll put a picture of her at the end.
Yes, yes.
And how much did you have to do to it? What condition was it in?
As far as what we have done to it at this point is basically clean the inside. We put new wheels, new axle, and we did some work on the rock guard.
Oh yeah, let me show you that.
The rock guard, my husband has restored it back to the original look, which is the translucent fiberglass with the Burro sticker. When we got it, it had a black piece in there that had a Texaco sign in it.
Okay. Yeah,
so
this is better.
That's about all we've done at this point. We still have some other things we're going to do, but
so
that's all the
tell me in here, what are your plans?
Our plans are to redo the refrigerator there with a 3-way fridge and move the airs. We haven't figured out exactly where and what, and then we're going to put back in a cook stove.
So what's under this right now?
Nothing. Just the counter.
Okay. And you have some original paperwork for this?
I do. There's all the stickers that are original. Shows where it was manufactured. It was a kit instead of being already assembled.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yes.
So you buy it and then you put it together yourself.
And they shipped it to you.
Huh.
We're going to upgrade the color on this and the cushions some.
So the cushions are blue denim. What color? What are your plans?
I'm not sure. Of course,
I love these little curtains.
That is one of Kylie's favorites, is the curtains.
So let's see what paperwork you have
And
here.
this is the assembly manual that came with all the papers.
Oh, so it tells you how to put it together.
Tells you how to put all the kit together.
That is so cool. I never knew that about these campers.
See, underneath was your potty storage, where they suggest for you to put your thermostat if you bought the heating unit. Exhaust fans. It's just according to what you bought with your kit. You could upgrade to the dinette, the bunk, different fridge, ice box.
And then this is the drawers.
All about your table assembly. This looks like it's all about the back bumper. Air conditioned, and of course it shows it being on the side with a hole.
That's how they are in the little snoozies.
And this is really cool because this is some of the original stickers that are left that wasn't displayed.
Yeah, so these are, you would just put the stickers on yourself. Okay. That's cool that you have that. All right. Well, what is your favorite thing about this camper?
I think the fact that it's vintage, number one, and then the fact that it's in such a good original shape.
Do you have any dislikes about the camper?
No, this is actually our first rally, first time sleeping in it. Kylie got to sleep the first night in it with us, but
Now, did you make this into a bed over here for her?
we did. We did.
Okay.
We popped the table down and made that into a bed.
And that's plenty of room for her. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And we can do the bunk. We have a 4-year-old grandson, so we may look at doing the bunk, which that's what this is about. So the bunk goes here and has 2 poles that fasten it to here.
And then you have storage under there too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And then they can have the second little bunk, which is great for a 3 or a 4-year-old.
It feels very roomy in here, actually.
It does, because if you notice, the burrows were made higher in the middle.
Okay.
So you had more headroom.
All right.
Of course, you've got the sticker over here on the counter warning you to watch your head when exiting because the door is small.
Yeah. And then there's another one right here. Caution. Watch your head when exiting. I could use that in mine. All right. Well, thank you for showing it to us. And everybody make sure you give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.